this is me, Sky, and today we are taking off this slime because it's sticking. It's a sticky slime. And I cut all of the pieces out and it's dripping. Oh shit, oh shit. That's a big one. You can see my nail.
Doon sa unang nakita sa akin, sa Salawag, sa entrance. Dito rin, mga teacher lang.
Oh no, it's stuck. Okay.
Lagi talaga na kumain.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's a video. This one is gonna be stuck. Here! Look at all of the pieces. I did it! Yay! It's so cool. So cool. Follow for more. Make sure to like and subscribe.